How you doing, everybody? My name is Kurt Henry, and I'm talking to you from the Mortgage Center. I work together with Randy Henry, and we are a part of a mortgage brokerage, and our job is basically to work with multiple banks and lenders in order to get them to compete for our clients, to get our clients the best deal when we're arranging mortgages for them. This is a weekly mortgage update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So in terms of mortgage rates, a 5-year fixed rate is in around 3.99% today, and a variable rate is around 2.25%, although some banks and lenders have been increasing that variable rate over the last few weeks, but we still do have some lenders at 2.25. I also just wanted to touch on financing for people that are self-employed that can't necessarily show their income. So there are programs available where you can have a minimum of 10% down if you're self-employed and you don't show all your income. So the idea is that some people will write a lot of expenses off and therefore not show a very high net income. Or there's cash jobs that that they have that don't necessarily make it to their tax return. So there are programs available for those kind of situations. So if you have at least 10% down, if your credit score is at least 650, and if you haven't had any late payments on any credit cards, loans, or lines of credit in the past 12 months or mortgages, and if you're not a past bankrupt, then the idea is that we can use a higher income than what actually shows on your tax return, and of course you have to be self-employed for at least 2 years. So what we have to do in order to prove that you've been employed for at least 2 years is get either like a business license or tax returns, but again, it's not to prove the income, it's just to show you've been self-employed for at least 2 years, or articles of incorporation for an example. So again, if all that's the case, and there's a couple other things as well, but that's the main part, we can use a higher income in order to qualify somebody, because the idea is that they actually make more income in reality than what they actually show on their taxes. So if you have any questions on that, the best way to get answers is to ask the person that sent you this video. And if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call. The number at the office here is 905-436-8010. Thanks, and have a great day.